Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to color anime on your phone, computer, or your other gadgets. I've created this line art and together, we're gonna color her and bring her to life. If you wanna color this line art, I'll put the link to it in the description below. Oh, and before we begin, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a vid. So, let's begin. Step 1. Put the base colors. I already have my palette on the right. I'm simply going to eyedrop the colors I'm about to use. First, I use the magic wand tool to select certain areas. I'm gonna color the skin first. Just a little tip here, make sure to separate your base colors in different layers. So if I'm gonna color the skin, I'll do this in one layer, and I'm gonna color her hair in another layer, and etc. You could also rename your layers to avoid confusion. All that said, I don't actually do this, I'm pretty lazy. Step 2. Shade. Before shading though, I like to change my line art just for the heck of it. Doing this actually makes the line art blend a little better with the colors, so yeah. Simply create a new layer on top of the skin layer. Set the mode to multiply and pick a color that complements the skin. I picked like a peachy orange. If you aren't satisfied with the color, simply go to Filter and click Hue Saturation. Simply adjust until you're satisfied. After this, I laid out a darker color, which is pink. So I did the same with the hair, the clothes, and other base colors. By the way, you could also soften the shadows by using the airbrush tool and setting it to eraser mode. For the eyes, after putting the shadows, I created another layer on top of the eye layer and set it to shine. I selected a blue color and used the airbrush tool to create a circular shape at the bottom of the eye. And then I made another layer and drew the details of the eye. I also added highlights. Step 3. Highlights. On top of all the layers, create a layer and set it to shine mode. Select the airbrush tool and choose a light reddish color. Brush over the skin and you'll see that it has a glowing effect. So I did the same on the other parts. Step 4. Add details. Feel free to mess around with the colors in layer blend modes. I experimented on the colors just so it can have a bit more of a polished look. So here's the final look. I hope you like this video. Check out my other how to draw tutorials. I'd always appreciate it if you let me know in the comments or through liking and subscribing. You could also help a friend by sharing my videos. So thank you for sticking until the end.